Okay, so we're doing base-catalyzed ester hydrolysis, and here's another example of nucleophilic addition-elimination, nucleophilic acyl substitution. So let me remind you, with nucleophilic addition-elimination, the general mechanism is this, and this needs to be in your heart, right? Leaving group, nucleophile, target. And what I'm going to ask you to do for this base-catalyzed ester hydrolysis, when I do that in detail, is to identify what's the nucleophile, what's the leaving group, what's the target, what makes that a good target. Those are the questions you should be asking yourself. Okay, so let's do this. This is nucleophilic addition elimination again. Okay, first thing, boom, boom. Pause the video and draw that. Okay? What we're always doing in every mechanism is we're identifying the electrons that are attacking, we're identifying the nucleus that's getting attacked, and then we're drawing the arrow to show the electrons doing it. Okay? That's what we did, right? Those electrons are there. These electrons are here. Okay, so what happens now in nucleophilic addition elimination? Pause the video and draw that picture. Okay? So the next step is, these are the electrons that are likely to be doing the attacking, I would say, right? And they come down and attack that carbon, make a pi bond, and these electrons go off with the leaving group. Okay, so that's nucleophilic addition elimination. Now watch this. And your job is to identify the nucleophile, the leaving group, and the target in base-catalyzed ester hydrolysis. So here's sort of our flagship simple ester. Of course, it pertains to anything with more detail too, right? And if it's base-catalyzed, it's going to be hydroxyl, hydroxide, and water. Okay? So what do we expect first? You might map, don't forget you're mapping it over this, right? So what do we expect first? We expect these guys to go boom, right? Pause the video and draw that picture. All right. Now, the simplest version of this is, of course, this is going to be in equilibrium. The book shows this step here, and you'll see that the simplest version of this skips that step, because watch this. This goes here, boom, and that goes there. Pause the video and draw that picture. Okay. But if we're mapping it over to this, what do we expect to happen? These guys to go here, boom, and there that guy goes boom. Okay, and there's our ester hydrolysis. So, what's the leaving group in this reaction? What's the leaving group? Why is it a good leaving group? What's the target? Why is it a good target? What's the nucleophile, and why is it a good nucleophile? Leaving group. How do you spell target? Target. A nucleophile. Okay, and that's base-catalyzed ester hydrolysis.